This is the NuWave Brio Healthy Digital Air Fryer. It features 1,300 watts of power, all controlled by a digital touchscreen LED display on the front. On the back of the Brio, you'll find the serial number, which starts with a letter followed by a series of digits, and a vent, which should always be free of any obstructions when the Brio is cooking. We also have the retractable power cord, which can reach a maximum of 4 feet. Once the NuWave Brio is plugged in, simply press the on-off button once to power the unit on. If no cooking temperature or time is entered, when you press Start Pause, the NuWave Brio automatically cooks at 360 degrees for 10 minutes. Once you have set your desired cooking temperature and time, press the Start Pause button once, and the Brio will start cooking. If you want to stop the cooking process, but don't want to erase the set temperature and time, press Start Pause once. If no other buttons are pressed after 5 minutes, that's when the Brio will clear all settings. If you want to clear the settings yourself, simply press the on-off button again. Now we want to show you how you can safely remove the basket, grill pan, and base tray from your NuWave Brio. To remove the basket and base tray, simply grasp the handle and pull straight out. When pulling the basket out, it's very important that you never press the demounting button. We suggest you place the base tray on a flat, heat-resistant surface. The frying basket can be separated from the base tray. This can be especially useful to reduce extra weight for pouring foods from the basket onto a serving tray, or even if you want to shake the food in the basket. To separate the basket from the base tray, lift open the safety cover and press the demounting button and lift the basket up from the base tray. This also works with the optional grill pan accessory. To set the cooking temperature, press Time Temp once. Using the up and down arrow buttons, you can adjust the temperature by 5 degrees. When you hold the button down longer, this will allow you to adjust the temperature in 50-degree increments. The NuWave Brio can be set to cook between 100 and 390 degrees. The cooking temperature can also be changed while cooking. Simply follow the same steps. To set the cooking time, press Temp Time twice. Using the up and down arrow buttons, you can adjust the time by 1 minute. When you hold the button down, this will allow you to adjust the time in 10-minute increments. Holding the button down even longer will allow you to adjust the time in 20 and even 30-minute increments. When cooking between 100 and 345 degrees, the maximum time that can be set is 99 hours and 59 minutes. When cooking between 350 and 390 degrees, the maximum time is 1 hour. Keep in mind the time shown on the LED display is hours and minutes. If the time remaining is under 1 minute, that is when the LED display will show the amount of seconds remaining. To preheat the Brio, simply press the Preheat button. Press Temp Time once and set your desired cooking temperature. Press the Time Temp button again and then choose your desired cooking time. Press Start Pause and the Brio will preheat to the set temperature. Keep in mind this time will only begin to count down once the Brio has reached the preheat temperature. You don't have to account for the time it takes to preheat when setting your cooking time. Once it reaches the set temperature, the Brio will beep once and the LED display will say, Ready. Once this happens, you will have up to 5 minutes to place your food in the Brio. Simply remove the fry basket and add your food. Once the basket is safely replaced in the Brio, it will automatically begin cooking at the preheated temperature for the set amount of time. Keep in mind, if you add your food to the basket before the Brio reaches the set preheat temperature, simply press the Start button twice when the Brio states Ready on the display in order to cook for the set cooking time. Many great accessories can be used in tandem with the NuWave Brio for a better air frying experience. The silicone cupcake liners are perfect for baking your favorite cupcakes, brownies, cornbread, and even eggs and mini quiches. Foods pop out of these reusable liners without the need for any additional butter or oil. But wait, there's more. The silicone cupcake liners are oven safe up to 500 degrees, microwave and freezer safe. The silicone trivet can be used to protect your countertops and tabletops from heat. Simply place your hot fry basket or base tray on the trivet and you'll never have to worry about damaging your countertops again. And as an added bonus, the trivet can even be used as a gripping tool to open those stubborn jars. The reversible cooking rack helps you make the most of Brio's 3-quart capacity. This rack allows you to cook multiple layers of food at once. The baking pan allows you to bake cakes, breads, and more inside the NuWave Brio. It's even non-stick, so cleanup is a breeze. The grill pan allows you to perfectly sear steaks, chicken, and even burgers inside the NuWave Brio. It's also non-stick, so you don't have to add any extra unhealthy oil when grilling. Best of all, each and every one of these accessories we've told you about is dishwasher safe. This makes cleanup even easier for your NuWave Brio. Last but not least, the water-resistant nylon case makes traveling with the NuWave Brio incredibly convenient. With this carrying case, you can bring your NuWave Brio to your next party, in your RV, on your boat, or anywhere you have access to a standard power outlet. This is the NuWave Brio Healthy Digital Air Fryer. It features 1,300 watts of power, all controlled by a digital touchscreen LED display on the front. On the back of the Brio, you'll find the serial number, which starts with a letter followed by a series of digits, and a vent, which should always be free of any obstructions when the Brio is cooking. We also have the retractable power cord, which can reach a maximum of 4 feet. Once the NuWave Brio is plugged in, simply press the on-off button once to power the unit on. If no cooking temperature or time